Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an infinite flexahedron. All you need are 8 pieces of square papers, so let's start. First, fold one of these into a triangular shape like this. Then make the triangle smaller. Now unfold this and fold a rectangle here. Then fold it again to make it into a square. Now open it and make it into a triangle. Now hold it in the middle and do this. Now fold it like this. Same thing with the back. Now let's do it again. Now attach this like this. Now when these ends hit each other like this, you bend this. It should look like this. Let's connect another one. Let's fold this to make this easier. Now, let's fold this like this and unfold this. Here. Now connect 8 pieces together to make it look like this. The last thing we're going to do is to connect these 2 tips. Here it is. Well, thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!